Hey guys, FollowMeCats here, and today I will be reacting to RWBY Volume 5, Chapter 9, A Perfect Storm. But before I go to the reaction part, I just want to share a little information with you guys. So this week, someone from Tumblr discovered something about Blake's model in Volume 5. So if you remember it, and I'm sure you all remember this, in Volume 3, Chapter 11, Adam stabbed Blake from her stomach. I specifically checked while I was watching Volume 4 to see if there is a scar there, but I couldn't see it while I was watching it. But someone discovered that there is indeed a scar in Blake's Volume 5 model. You can clearly see it in so many screenshots. It's even there in her character short, so this only means one thing. I mean, for me it only means one thing. RWBY put it there just for the angst. And what I mean by angst is we're gonna see that scar. That's why they put it there. And I believe we're gonna see that when Blake reunites with the other members of the team. Yang will see her scar, and she will reach her scar with her mechanical arm. And that's gonna be a freaking emotional scene, because you know they both have scars from that day, and oh, it's gonna be emotional. I mean, that's what I'm assuming. It could be anything, but so yeah, I just wanted to share this with you because it blew my mind. I was really excited to see that her scar is there, because we're gonna see it in this volume, and we're already in Chapter 9. I mean, I don't think we're gonna see it in this episode. Oh, by the way, I watched the RWBY Rewind episode, so I know we're gonna see Raven, and I can clearly see that from the thumbnail. Like, obviously we're gonna see Cinder and her team. So yeah, I don't want to keep you guys wait. I don't watch it right away because I'm like really excited. I really want to see Raven kicking some ass, and I really want to see how she will interact with Cinder. So RWBY Volume 5, Chapter 9, A Perfect Storm starts in 3, 2, 1, and now let's see. This is the scene from the preview, by the way.
Raven, we have a problem.
What is it?
Salem's found us.
Oh boy.
Okay.
What are you gonna
do?
do?
Are waiting to speak with you.
Right. We planned for this. Bring me my helmet.
We planned for this. So preview ends right here. She's so extra. What the heck is with that helmet?
I don't recall inviting so many guests into our home. Either I'm losing my memory, or you've all lost your spines.
Don't be too upset with them, Raven. Your men simply recognize the power of a maiden when they see it.
Her voice is really different
Which is why we'd like
in
to
this
have
volume.
a word with you.
Leave us. Pack your things, then break down camp. We're moving.
They're moving. What's the point?
A little late to run and hide.
Yeah.
You've been on our master's list for some time, so you must understand that we cannot allow you to slip away.
I know all about your master, but I don't believe we've met.
We're the guys you should be afraid of.
I doubt anyone should be afraid of you.
Oh, yeah?
Tell that to quiet.
Was he going to
That's
say
what I
Shady Dude or Yang?
I'm Cinder Fall. This is my associate, Arthur Watts. And my
Associate.
disciples, Emerald.
Disciples. Okay.
2 children you've tricked into following you, a disgraced Atlesian scientist, and a fall maiden with a surname so appropriate she probably picked it herself. Something tells me you've got more than a slight case of egomania.
Oh, burn. Oh, that was amazing. I love
Technically,
it.
I was also a doctor, but I must say the rest was spot on.
Aren't you perceptive?
It's what's kept
She
me alive.
is. That was
I'm
amazing.
afraid the only reason you're still alive is because you have something our master wants. Of
Vernal.
course, if I'm wrong.
Show off.
Vernal!
The animation is amazing, by the way. That fire animation was amazing. Okay, 2 maidens side by side.
So, this is the long-lost Spring Maiden. Prove it.
I'm sure she can kick your ass. What is she gonna do? The music is awesome, by the way. I love the music. What are you doing? She is literally changing the weather. Is she gonna create a tornado or storm? Of course, that's the title. A storm. Holy shit. Music is awesome. Was that it? Oh, but no, there are clouds
Vernal
in the
has done
sky.
well under my guidance. I'd take that into consideration
Yeah.
before you try anything.
Whoa.
Raven, I won't underestimate you, so please don't insult my intelligence. There is a slim chance you and your maiden could escape here today. But if you know our master as well as you claim to, then you know you could never truly escape her. But we come bearing an olive branch.
The maidens are merely a means to an end. Salem's true desires are the relics locked within the Huntsman Academies. Come with us. Allow Vernal here to unlock the Relic of Knowledge, and all previous acts of defiance against Salem will be forgiven.
That's a freaking lie.
It's the best deal either of you are going to get.
What are you gonna do, Raven?
Talk as if walking straight into Haven will be easy.
That's because it will be. Headmaster Lionheart is loyal to Salem now. All we need
Now
is
she
the key to the
knows.
vault.
Now Raven knows that Lionheart is a traitor.
You're not the only one to turn your back on Oz, Raven.
I'm not helping Salem. I'm not helping Oz. I don't want a part in any of this.
That ship sailed when you chose to harbor a maiden. But
Oh,
if you
yeah.
come with us to Haven, we'll leave you, your tribe, and your little secret to
That's
live
a
out the rest
freaking
of
lie.
your days
Don't believe her.
wallowing in the wilderness. We just
That is a lie.
need the relic.
I need time to think this over.
You don't have time. In 2 days, Haven Academy will be destroyed by the White Fang.
2
You're
days?
going
Did
to
he
choose now.
say
Into a corner, huh?
So,
2 days?
are you with us or against us?
Okay. Don't, Raven.
Agreements like these are built on trust. And forgive me for saying, but I don't trust a single one of you. You're going to
Obviously.
need to give me more.
You
Like
are
what?
in a poor position to negotiate.
I want my brother dead.
Crow?
What?
That's right. He knows I have Spring. And if I help you get your relic, he's going to become a problem.
Please
I have
tell me
enough
you're
problems
lying.
to deal with.
No, I'm
Crow
sure
doesn't
she's
trust
lying.
me, but he does trust Ozpin's other lieutenants.
She's
If
smirking.
Leo really is loyal to you, then you can order him to invite Crow right into an ambush.
No,
He
she's
arrives at
lying.
Haven, we take him down, you get your relic,
I don't.
and we all leave.
I don't want to believe this.
Now this is a proposition I can get behind.
All right, ladies, let's
She's doing
pause
it
for a moment.
purposely.
We have one objective. Retrieving the Relic of Knowledge. Now, Crow Bronwyn may be on our list of individuals we would very much like dead, but he's not going to go down without a fight, and he's not going
Of
to
course.
fight quietly. Our advantage
course.
here is just as you said. We walk straight into Haven, No resistance, no one the wiser. A battle with your brother throws that all out the window.
He's good, but not that good. All of us
Please
against
tell me you're
him,
lying.
it'll be over in a heartbeat.
But it's not just him. He has the students with him. He has Ruby.
He certainly does.
If we leave that school a bloody mess, it will draw the attention of the authorities.
Yeah.
The kingdom
This
will be
guy's
on high
smart.
alert, and the White Fang's attack will be ruined.
Then we wait. We wait until the full moon. Leo invites
moon?
Crow and his little fighters to Haven.
What's up with the
same
full
night
moon?
Hazel and Adam arrive with the White Fang. As soon as the battle is won,
Where are they?
the White
Attacking on
Fang
the full moon.
demolishes Haven, and any evidence we may have left behind is lost along with the school.
Then Salem leaves my people alone. For good.
She's not gonna leave you alone.
You have yourself a deal.
Oh,
Wait.
I'm sure she's lying.
Don't think I don't see what you're after. If this falls to pieces over your grudge with a child, I will not be taking the blame.
Then what are you worried about?
Oh, that
Fly
must
back
hurt.
home and tinker with your machines. And tell Salem she'll get what she wants.
She's
And
playing
more.
two sides. Raven. Is that what you call it in English? Two sides. I don't believe this. No. I'm not gonna believe that. Okay, we're back. I hear Gira's voice. Okay. Okay. No. No, don't. Okay, his aura saved him. These are ridiculous weapons. Wait. No. Thank God. Seriously, thank God. Okay, at this point, I'm sure he will be okay. He's not gonna die. No. Where's Blake, though?
Hurry!
Okay. Oh, that's his clone. That's what Weiss gave her.
I'm not sure. I got
In volume
ambushed
2.
right away.
Once we take down Corsic and Finnick.
No, go now.
But
You keep assuring me your friend isn't a complete waste of space. Let's see him prove it.
Where's Ilya and Yuma?
We got this, Blake. I've wanted to sock these creeps since the day we met.
Where's Ilya and Yuma? They're staring.
have to get in
Why
there.
don't you attack? They're
Blake,
melting
go.
the ice. Okay. They're literally melting the ice in front of them. That's ridiculous.
I won't let you down, sir.
Shut up.
You got it.
These two's chemistry. Okay, we're back again to Raven.
Yes, for now.
I followed them as you asked.
Did they spot you?
Okay.
Of course not. They have a ship 2 clicks west of here. Looks like they're staying there for the
Okay.
night.
Thank you, Vernal.
God,
Anything else?
Raven, you're miserable.
Do you actually believe they'll let us go once they have the relic?
Of course
Of
not.
course not.
Yeah,
They'll
of course
never
not.
leave us alone. Once our purpose
Obviously.
has come and gone, we'll be discarded.
Yeah.
Salem only uses people until they are no longer useful. If
Yes,
we
so
want
what's
to
your
have
plan?
any chance of defending ourselves against her, then we need this relic. If Crow and those brats want to follow Ozpin, then let them. When the
So she
chaos
wants the
reaches
relic?
its peak, we'll grab the relic and make our escape.
Oh
And
my
the fact
god.
that your daughter will be a part of all that?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. I warned her. She made her choice.
She made her that's literally what Yang said in the
This
previous
path won't be
episode
easy
about
for
Blake.
us either, but we must
She made her
do
choice.
what's
Is
right
that-
for the tribe?
Is
I
that
know.
genetic or something?
I'll do whatever
And
it takes.
fuck your tribe.
Good.
What's up with your tribe? Why do you care so much about your tribe than your family? Did she turn into a bird? Yeah, she did. Where are you going? That's her portal. Did she go to Yeah. Is she gonna warn him?
Oz needs to talk to you.
Freaking Raven. You're switching so many arcs so fast. Like, and now we're back again with Blake's arc. Okay, I can't keep up with this pace. Where is human Ilya? Ilya, okay? What is she doing there? Oh my freaking god. They're gonna fight this time. Fuck. Are you freaking kidding me? So, where's objects from built on a meeting room sets? Oh, Gira's concept art. Gira is so awesome, but I still don't get why he's stripped like that, like seriously. I mean, he looks cool, but... And these weapons are ridiculous. And maybe it's because I don't like these guys at all. They're twins. One of them uses fire and the other one is ice. Okay, hold on, let me close this. So, this episode was... I don't know, this episode was... It was 15 minutes long, but we switched so many times, like we switched from one arc to another arc, then another arc, and then another arc, and then it ended with the same cliffhanger. And what I mean by that is it ended where in previous week it ended where Gira was fighting with the twins, and we're still in the same spot, but this time we also have Sun, but nothing more happens in that arc. And Blake and we're gonna see Blake and Ilya fight. What the heck was that room that Ilya was sitting, and Ilya was like, it was like she was waiting for Blake. I mean, maybe it's a ridiculous idea, but it was like she knew Blake would escape from that spider chick and the other useless guy, because she was literally waiting in that room. And we haven't seen Yuma. Look, that dude is dangerous. He can fly. So I'm curious about where he is. Maybe he's with Ilya, maybe he went after Cully. That dude is dangerous and we haven't seen him, and it makes me worried. Then what yeah, Raven. Freaking Raven. Okay. If you've been watching my reactions, I love Raven. And I always think about Raven whenever I see her. So I was excited that I was going to see her this episode, and I got excited, but what is she doing? I mean, I'm not gonna believe that. I don't think she wants his brother dead. I mean, I think she said that because she wanted to gain Cinder and the others' trust, okay? She doesn't have a side. She's in the middle, okay? She's not with Ozpin or Salem. So, she made it clear. She wants the relic to protect herself and her tribe. but I don't think that's a great idea. Like, Raven, are you freaking kidding me? Are you serious? I mean, if you will have the relic, that means you have both the Spring Maiden and the Relic of Knowledge. So you will be Salem's #1 priority. I mean, are you sure that's a good idea? I don't think that's smart. And oh, and she knows, now she knows Lionheart is with Salem. So what I think will happen is she will tell Crow about this. I mean, she literally flew to Crow and she made Renal follow Cinder's team to make sure they won't follow Raven. So she went to Crow, and I'm sure she will warn him. I mean, think about it. She can create portals whenever she wants for Crow, Taeyang, and Yang. If she wanted Crow dead in any point, she could have killed him right away. I mean, all she had to do was like create a portal while Crow is sleeping and then just kill him. Okay? So it doesn't make any sense. Why does she need them to kill Crow? She can do it all by herself. So that's fake. She just said that to gain their trust. But like, seriously, Raven, what are you doing? Your daughter is there. Like, your daughter is in Haven. She literally said the same words. Like, she made her choice. Yang literally said the same thing in previous episode while she was talking about Blake. How am I remembering this? Because I watched that episode 1,000 times. I mean, not 1,000, but I watched that episode a lot and I memorized it. So I remember it clearly. Mother and daughter, they're both, oh my god. Like, Raven, I don't understand Raven. What's up with her and her tribe? Seriously, why does she care about this tribe so much? I mean, yeah, they raised her and all that, but like, I don't know why she cares about this tribe so much. Oh, and that mustache dude, Watts. So he's a scientist and a doctor. So that explains how he can make tails, and I don't know what he can do, but he can make tails and he can hack systems and all that. So that explains. So he's from Atlas. We learned that, and I don't know, like, this episode was I mean, nothing much happened. It was like a filler episode, I guess that's the word for it. Filler. I'm not so sure. Yeah, it was like a filler episode. I mean, nothing much happened, and we stuck with the same cliffhanger from previous week. So I guess this episode was my least favorite from this volume. It was still good. We learned some stuff, but we switched so much. Like, I couldn't focus. Like, we switched so much. But now I'm assuming we're gonna get an awesome episode next week. There will be a lot of actions, there will be a lot of emotions. A character might die. I don't know which one. I hope it won't be Ilya. Or Kali, or Gira. Like, I don't want any character to die. But like, I'm still waiting for Ilya's redemption arc. Like, she hesitated. Okay, she still hesitates to reach her weapon. She doesn't want to fight Blake. She doesn't like this. She's freaking in love with Blake. She doesn't want this, and I'm still hoping for a redemption arc for her. but we're gonna see. But yeah, other than that, yeah, next week's episode is going to kill us. That's what I'm assuming, because a week after that there won't be a new episode. There will be a break, a 1 week break if you don't know it yet, because of Christmas. So we're gonna wait 2 weeks for a new episode after next week's chapter. So what I'm assuming is it will be a huge episode. There will be a huge cliffhanger, and we're gonna die. We're gonna suffer for 2 weeks. Okay, with that cliffhanger, we're gonna suffer for 2 weeks. That's what I'm thinking. But yeah, do I have anything else to say in this episode? I don't know. I mean, nothing, not many things. I mean, it was a dull episode, so nothing much happened. Raven, freaking Raven. I'm thinking about her a lot because I don't understand her. Like, seriously, why Raven? Why? But yeah, I guess I don't have anything else to say. So yeah, I think we should end here because I'm just rambling and I don't want to keep you, I don't want to steal your time. So yeah, this was my Volume 5, Chapter 9 reaction video. It would be great if you enjoyed this video, if you liked the video, or subscribe to my channel, or you can just watch my other videos. And I hope I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.